what we're going to differentiate is the hyperbolic secant. So, balikan natin yung sa trigonometric functions. The derivative of secant of u is sec u tan u. Pero hyperbolic functions tayo, so may letter h. So, hyperbolic secant is equals to the sec hu tan bu. Kaya lang, may negative na sa unahan. So, ito yung sa mga pagkakaiba doon sa trigonometric natin. Nagkakaroon ng negative. So, given that f of x is equals to the hyperbolic secant of square root of x all raised to 3 halves, find the first derivative or f prime of x. Okay? So, ano bang mangyayari kapag ganyan? Power rule. Power rule yung may bumababang exponent. So, that's 3 over 2 times hyperbolic secant of square root of x. May bumaba, babawasan mo ng isa. Tapos, differentiate mo yung loob. Ano bang differentiate ng, ano bang magiging sagot pag dinifferentiate ko ang hyperbolic secant? Ito lang po. Negative, huwag kakalimutan. Negative sec hu or sech x, tanh x, square root ng x. Then, i-differentiate mo naman yung angle, which is square root ng x. Diba ang square root ng x ay x raised to 1/2. So, pag dinifferentiate ko yan, 1/2 times x raised to 1/2 minus 1. Okay? So, 1/2 times 3 halves, that is 3 over 4. X raised to 1/2 minus 1, di ba negative 1/2 yun? So, ibaba na natin dito. Okay? Then, 3 halves minus 1, that is simply 1/2 na lang. Di ba may negative sa una dito? Ilagay ko na lang sa unahan. Times sec hu square root ng x, tanh ng square root ng x. Okay? Tingnan nyo to guys. Hyperbolic secant tsaka hyperbolic secant. Kumbaga, same base sila. Kumbaga, meron tayong x raised to 1/2 times x raised to 1. Kapag nga same base, kinakopy lang natin yung base at ina-add lang yung exponent. So, 1/2 plus 1, that is 3 halves. Or simply, hyperbolic secant of square root of x all raised to 3 over 2. So, to further simplify it, this will become negative 3 secant na hyperbolic square root ng x all raised to 3 halves times tanh of square root of x all over 4 x raised to 1/2. And this is the answer for this item. Okay, so as you can see, formula lang naman ako nagbe-base. Wala naman akong ibang ginagawa. Okay? So, copy your notes. Okay. Ang i-differentiate natin ngayon ay hyperbolic cotangent. Sa trigonometric functions, kapag i-differentiate mo ang cotangent of u, ang sagot doon ay negative cosecant squared u. So kapag hyperbolic, lalagyan mo lang ng h. So the derivative of hyperbolic cotangent u is negative hyperbolic cosecant squared u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So, bigay lang tayo ng isang example. What if f of x is equals to cotangent of u given that u is equals to 5x raised to 4. Find f prime of x. Diba? Ang dali lang. Since u is equals to 5x raised to 4, du is equals to, bababa si 4, 4 times 5, that is 20, x cubed. Kasi 4 minus 1. So, madali na natin itong masiset up. F prime of x, anong derivative ng cotangent? Cotangent. Hyperbolic cotangent, that is negative cosecant squared u. Or hyperbolic cosecant u times du dx. Now, what is u? 5x raised to 4. So, negative hyperbolic cosecant squared of 5x raised to 4 times du dx, which is 20x cubed. Okay, so rearrange ko lang. That is equals to 20x cubed times the hyperbolic cosecant squared of 5x raised to 4. Do not forget, there's the negative sign. Okay? So, copy your notes. We are now down to the last formula. This time, it is for the cosecant, hyperbolic cosecant. So, balik lang ulit tayo sa trigonometric. Kapag i-differentiate mo ang cosecant u, that is negative cosecant u cotangent u. So, kapag hyperbolic, anong meron? May letter h lang po. And yan na yung last formula natin for hyperbolic functions. So, if f of x is equals to hyperbolic cosecant of sine of x, what is f prime of x? Okay? So, as you can see, yung u natin dito ay yung sine x. So, what's the derivative of sine x? Cosine x. Okay? So, kung i-differentiate ko ang hyperbolic cosecant of u, tingin sa formula, negative cosecant na hyperbolic of u, hyperbolic cotangent of u times du dx. Sorry, hindi ko nalagyan dito ng du dx. Okay? So, that's negative cosecant na hyperbolic. What is u? Sin x. Hyperbolic cotangent, u sin x. Times du dx, which is cosine x. Rearrange ko lang po. This is equals to negative cosine of x times the hyperbolic cosecant of sine x times the hyperbolic cotangent of sine x. Okay, so it is as easy as that. So, copy. Okay, so this is the last part of our video. Let me just summarize the 6 differentiation formula for hyperbolic functions. For hyperbolic sine or sinh u, that is cosh u times du dx. For cosh u, that is sinh u. Okay, alam ko na kapag trigonometric, ang derivative ng cos u ay negative sine u. Ulitin ko nga kasi ibig sabihin ng c, kontrahin yung sine. Kaya lang dito, kontrahin yung sine, kaya lang huwag na. Okay? So, pag meron ka namang tang u, that is hyperbolic secant squared of u times du dx. Kapag may cotangent ka, ano bang co-function ng cotangent-tangent? So, secant, cosecant, kaya lang negative na po. Dahil letter C. Pag ito naman, kaya lang di nag-a-apply yung logic natin dito ha. Pag secant tsaka cosecant, parehas na din nag-negative. So, wala halos talagang pinagkaiba sa trigonometric lang. Ang lahat ng negative ay yung C ang simula, pero sa hyperbolic, ang negative ay lahat ng inverse functions. Pag sinabi natin co-inverse functions, 1 over sine, ito yung cosecant, 1 over cos, ito ay secant, 1 over tan, ito ay cotangent. So, 1 over sinh, 1 over cosh, 1 over tang, lagyan mo lang din ng h. Kung itong mga to ay positive, itong mga to naman ay magiging negative. So, yan lang yung ginagawa kong palatandaan sa hyperbolic functions. Again, do not forget to subscribe and comment down for your suggestions and video tutorial requests. So, again, I am Engineer Aldever. I hope you learned something from me. Copy your notes. See you again sa next video.